Hello, welcome to Forex Trading Strategies. So I'll be explaining how we can use this spike detector to trade 3 minutes candle successfully. We'll be explaining how it can use it to trade 3 minutes candle successfully. Now, most people have been complaining and saying things that they've been making inquiry that does this show an arrow before the spikes occur, or how does it work? Okay, now so you can see it working right here live. You can see the price action moving, and now the arrow is out. That shows us that that is a support level. Now it will take 13 seconds for that candle to count down. So we'll see, maybe it will break the support level or it will respond positively to it. So this is the nature of the indicator. Okay, so it's still going on. So as you can see, so this is how this indicator works. It shows the arrow before the spikes happen. So if you're in the boom trading it and it has given an indicator already that it's likely for a spike to happen, then you do well to stay out of it to avoid being caught by the spike. Okay, so that is one. The second explanation, now we are combining it with the RSI, the relative strength index. We all know what RSI means, right? So how can we use this indicator with the RSI and get a positive result? Okay, let's check the parameters of our RSI. So the parameters of our RSI indicator list, let's click on relative strength index. Okay, so you can see the parameters. The period is 14, apply to close, the star is orange, and all of that. You can see the levels. These are important as well. The level is 30, 70, 65, 35. So 70 being the highest and 30 being the lowest. So we have that 65 and 35 at the middle. Okay, so let's go back to our chart. How do we use this to analyze effectively, to know how we can benefit from it, how to stay in the market for at least 3 minutes before we exit the market? Okay, so for example, this indicator gives two specific signals. It is either a buy signal or a sell signal. Now the white are the buy signal. You can see the white arrow. Now the color changes. I decided to use white today. You can customize the color and use whichever color you want. You can change the color of the arrow, but I prefer to go with the white today. Okay, so if it shows the white arrow that faces up, that shows a buy signal. Then once it shows this red arrow, it shows a red, or once it shows this red arrow, that shows a sell signal. That's a sell signal, indication for a sell. Okay, so for example, it gives us a sell here that we can sell it here. Now we need to confirm one more thing before we sell. Okay, right now that it is here, what is the RSI at that particular time? What is the RSI? So we check the value of the RSI at this particular time, and this is the RSI right here. So the value of it is 54. You can see the value is 54, so it's still a bit high, so we can enter it. That should that will still come down. Hold up, I need to check something. Okay, you can see that it spiked now. The arrow that came out at the beginning of this video, I can see the increase in the RSI. So I came here to check and see that it has spiked. You can see that is how it works. It will bring out the arrow at the support level. Then you know that it is likely for a spike to occur there, and most of the times, like 80% of the time, the spike will occur. So if you are scalping it, you should know that that is the best time for you to stay away from those spikes. You need to stay away from it. Okay, so let's go back to our video. Now there are some things that you need to note. The value of the RSI also will depict the movement of the market. It will play a vital role in it. For example, if it tells you that the market is going down but the value of the RSI is low already, then I will advise you not to enter the market. I will advise you not to enter the market. Then if you are not an early adopter of a trend, I will also advise you to stay away from that trend. For example, this trend started from here, from this red arrow here, and you were not there to start with the trend. So it now got to this level. It got to this level. So you are not like, oh, that is still going down, so I have to join now. Now if you should join at this candle right here, let's trace it down. Let's trace it down. You can see the value of the RSI is 36 that time, almost near to 35. Meanwhile 35 should be our exit point. The value of the RSI is low already. You can enter and still take up to 20-30 minutes. No, let's see, 36, 1 2 3 4. You can take like 12 minutes, but before you know it will spike against you and you'll be in deep loss. So you must be very careful not to join trend that you didn't start. Don't join it halfway. If you want to join it at all, you must check the value of the RSI. What is the value of the RSI as at the time that you want to join it? So you using this value of the RSI, you will judge to know how oversold or overbought is the instrument that you are trading. So if you see that it's oversold, you know what to do. If it's overbought, you know what to do. Now to some of you that have this indicator already, that got it from me, and those of you that got it from my free training package, so this is how you can use the RSI with it. I know I've taught you how to use it with the GIG that came with it, how to use it with the AO, which is awesome oscillator. Now this is how you can use it with the RSI. So there will be other methods coming on it in other subsequent time, but using this RSI to give you a more clear indication that okay, this is where the market is going. This is how oversold or overbought the market has been. So it will enable you to make more proper trade, so to aid your profitability. So this is how effective this method can be. So let's check for more example here. So the mistake you must not do is that you must not join trend that you don't start with. For example, if you join this trend here, let's say you join this trend at this point, this candle right here, this candle here. So let's trace it down. Let's trace it down. You can see what is the value of the RSI, 36. So it's near 35 already. If you join it, you'll be there for like 12 minutes, then it will spike and you'll be in deep loss. So don't join trend that you didn't start. Don't join it, because our plan here is to get 3 minutes candle, 3 minutes candle, just one of it per trade. Before you know, you can get like 10 or 15 in a day. And if you're using a lot size of 1.0, that's $15 for you. So if it compound over time, you'll be making serious profit. You'll be making serious profit. So this is how you utilize this spike detector. So if you need to get your hands on this, feel free to contact me. But please note that this indicator is not for free. So I have so many guys come to my inbox and say that they thought that they could get it for free. Please kindly note that this is a custom indicator. It costs a lot if you check it in the market, so it is not for free. But be one of my subscriber, I can give you discount on it. Mind you, it is not for free. Okay, so thank you for watching. This is Forex Trading Strategies. Do not forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you catch me in the next video. Bye for now.